Hi guys, so here's a explanation of how to write a rule describing a pattern based on problem number 5 from our text and also in the example. So they have given us this table here. I kind of rewrote it and I left this blank. They had an N here and I want to leave that blank for now. I don't want to talk about that. Um, they created the number of levels, which represent how many levels of cards there are. And then this is the height. But notice they just don't give the height in numbers. They don't just tell you the exact height. They break it down for you. And I'm going to explain why. All right. First off, they kind of skip level 1, which I'm going to go back and put level 1. And if I do that, it would just be the cards are 3.5 inches tall. And it's times 1 because it's only one level high. And it's plus 24 each time because the table itself that they're on is 24 inches. So it's always 24. That's a constant. This is not changing. Okay. So now, in order to create this rule, I want us to look at this line where it says n. Whatever it says n or a variable, that's where we create the rule. Right here, when I'm done, we will have created a rule for any number of levels. So if I wanted to build this card house 73 levels high, I know exactly without having to continue the pattern or add 73 times to get to the height. All right. So what I want to look at is in this description, what is constantly saying the same? What is always the same? Well, 3.5 times 1 plus 24, 3.5 times 2 times plus 24, 3. Okay, getting the point. The 3.5 is staying the same. The multiplying is staying the same. And the plus 24 is staying the same. Oops, I see a mistake. I make mistakes a lot, but I try to catch them. That should be a 4, right? Yeah. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, that is changing. Now, where does that number come from? Well, if I scan to my levels, that is the actual level. All right. So it seems as though whatever level of cards there are, we multiply that by 3.5 and then add 24. So this nth, it's called the nth. Yeah, it's kind of weird. We'll talk about that a lot. The nth level would mean any level we wanted to, the 73rd level, the second level, the 57th level, whatever it is, whatever this number is, look, this 4, it went there. This 2, it went there. So this n is going to go here. So now I can rewrite this 3.5 times n plus 24 simply as 3.5n plus 24. This right here is our rule to describe that pattern. 3.5 times n, which is our number of levels, plus 24.